I got this mouse for free to check out so you can see what it looks like, how it performs. We're going to hook it up to my computer right now. Let me show you what it looks like up close and personal first. Yep, it's a mouse. Very cute. Next to my MX Master 4. A good bit smaller in the hand. You know, it's going to be smaller. The buttons are back here. I'm used to the buttons being kind of where I can extend my fingers fully. We can still do that, but it's not going to be quite the same as pressing it like there. This is obviously going to be for aesthetic purposes. I just want it to work pretty decently, and I'll be happy with it. So it is battery powered. There's no charging or anything. And in case you get this and you're wondering, oh, how do I get it to plug in? It's not Bluetooth. It's got a wireless or a Bluetooth dongle, a wireless dongle receiver right here. Plug this into USB, and then it's got the on-off button right there. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's plug this back up right here, and then let's plug it into our computer, shall we? All right, so I just plugged it in, and yep, okay, it's working. So here's my MX Master. I'm scrolling around with my MX Master right now. Now I'm scrolling around with this guy, and the sensitivity, you know, I'm going to have to make some adjustments in the mouse settings because it's not the same. This MX Master, I've got a program that's like adjusting it for me, so it's going to be way more sensitive. So yeah, this works. It's a mouse, right? So it can click stuff. Bum-ba-dum, clicking into YouTube. Hey, there's me. So let's come in here to our mouse settings and mouse pointer speed. Let's crank that all the way up to 20. That helps a good bit. Yeah, so this is actually usable now just by cranking that. And I've got to crank it all the way up because I'm using a 4K monitor right here. But before I was having to like scroll all over my mouse pad here just to get it to go from one side of the screen to the other. Not to mention I've got a dual monitor, so I've got another 4K monitor over here. But if I crank that all the way up, yeah, this works good. The scroll bar or the scroll wheel, it does feel good. I like that there's resistance in there to where it's just little bitty step intervals, same as with my MX Master. I mean, that's obviously a premium mouse and mouse wheel, but this feels good for what it is. So would I recommend this? Sure. If you want a nice little cute mouse like this on your desk, a mouse, then this works and is functional and it's perfectly fine. And I like actually that it comes with a USB dongle that's wireless connectivity instead of putting Bluetooth in here. For this quality product, Bluetooth would probably be a little bit suboptimal. So I appreciate them sending this over for me. Hope that's helpful for you. Thanks for checking out the video. I've got affiliate links down below for this product as well as the other ones that I review. If you're interested in anything, I do appreciate it if you would go through those links. It helps keep this free for you and it supports the channel at the same time. So thank you for the support and for the view. And if you really like this, go ahead and click subscribe to the channel. Appreciate that. Hope you have a great one.